Hello and welcome back to Revolution Beauty's YouTube channel. I'm Luce Stevenson and today we have a super exciting video. I'm going to be going through the whole Dangerous Love DC collection. So if you're interested and want to know anything about the collection, just keep on watching. If you are new here as well, don't forget to hit subscribe. Also give us a thumbs up so we know to do more of these videos in the future. And let's just get straight into it because this is the perfect Valentine's Day present for your loved one. So in this collection we have two eyeshadow palettes. One is more colourful and one is more on the neutral side, and I'll show you the neutral one first. So this is just what the packaging looks like in our classic tin packaging, which I love. It's so much easier to clean. And then the inside of the palette just looks like this, sort of really nice neutral one. I mean, this gold is a bit of me, not gonna lie. And the names are so cute. So we have Game of Chess, we have Ever After, Marry Me, Say Yes, Chase Me, Save and Bruise, First Kiss, True Love, Dangerous, etc. This will be perfect if you're looking for a Valentine's Day present for somebody who is more on the neutral side when it comes to their eyeshadow. This is the one to get for them. The other one, like I said, is more colourful. So this is what the packaging looks like. So this is the Mad Love palette, and this is what it looks like. This is beautiful. I mean, look how vibrant them shades are. And then this is what the palette looks like up close. There's so many beautiful shimmers, but also a really nice selection of mattes in here as well. So you can create a lot of looks out of this. If you watch my YouTube channel, you know I love a nice ratio of matte to shimmers, and this one, it satisfies me. That's all I'm going to say. So yeah, I mean, look at this one. This is beautiful as well. So if you're looking more for a colourful palette, whether it's for yourself, whether it's for your best friend, whether it's going to be for a partner, this will be, again, perfect for Valentine's Day. And again, I'm just going to read out some of the names because the names are so cute. So we have, obviously, Mad Love, we have Laughter, Monster, Mr. J, Hello Beautiful, Pudding, I mean, classic, come on. State of Mind, Tragedy, Attract Crazy. So that is the Mad Love palette. And then the next two palettes are kind of similar, like some of the packaging, but a smaller version and more face-based. So we have these two bad boys. So again, match the bigger packaging, but one is a highlighter palette and one is a cream blusher palette. Like, I'm so excited to show you this. So we'll start with the Dangerous Love one, which is the highlighter palette. So this is what it looks like, and this is it close up, and that is just what it looks like. So that is the highlighter palette, and then we also have the cream blusher palette, which I think, oh my god, everyone is gonna die for this. This is what it looks like. So again, in the little packaging for Mad Love, but look at this. So we have like a pinkier brown, we have like a browner, like nudier one, we have an orange, like an orangey peachy apricot one. I'm obsessed with orange blusher at the moment. And then we also have our nice pink one as well. And then this is just what the blusher palette looks like. The colours are beautiful, and I love the tin packaging for this like little faux quad. Really like it. And then the last two products from the collection are lip based, and I've actually got this one on my lips right now. So this is the Dangerous Love lip gloss, lipstick and lip liner trio set. So this is what it looks like, and then when you open it up, it has the three products at the top. So it has a creamy lip liner, which just looks like this, and again, obviously this matches the Dangerous Love packaging, and we also have a lipstick which matches the Mad Love packaging. So I love that. It's got like a divide in between the collection. So like I said, that is the Dangerous Love lip liner. We also have the Dangerous Love lip gloss, which just looks like this. The packaging is so cute, and then that is just what the lip gloss looks like. Beautiful. It's really comfortable as well. Like, it was really easy for me to put on. And then we have the lipstick, which I just love the packaging. I love it all matches together as well. And the lipstick looks like this. And then swatched, that is what it looks like. And that is the beautiful lip trio that I've got on my lips right now. And then the other one, which I love, that this one is totally different. So the other one is a lipstick, and wait until I show you the packaging because it is stunning. So this is what it looks like, the Mad Love lipstick, and this is the packaging. absolutely beautiful. And I mean, sorry, what? The colour is gorgeous. And that is just what it looks like swatched. I think if you prefer more of like the deeper purpley, pinky kind of vibe, then you would go for this one. Or if this is more your vibe, then definitely the Dangerous Love lip kit. Or if you're like me and you're obsessed with anything lips, you will buy both. Because that is just so me, typical Lucy. So that is everything that is in the collection. Please let me know down below, what are you going to buy? What are you excited to try? What do you think of the collection? Thank you so much for watching. I will hopefully see you in another video very soon. And don't forget to hit subscribe and like this video. Thank you. Bye.